Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Camera. In this video I'll show you how to mount it on the ceiling and flip the image. In the beginning, prepare the mounting bracket. Firstly, place it on the ceiling you want your camera to be installed, and then drill 2 holes, 1 and 2. Inside the package we've got also 2 screws with mounting. Once it's done, take a look at the bottom of your camera. You can mount it like this. Place it over and then screw it to secure mounting. Twist it to secure mounting. Once it's mounted like this, let's go to Xiaomi Home and select your camera. As you can see, the view is upside down. Let's go to settings of your camera. And now enter image settings. Select rotate, confirm, and as you can see, the image is now rotated. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.